when we were this one, what are you doing?
I'm only aware that there was one journalist that was arrested, and immediately we intervened. The CPS actually had to send some people to spoke to the police, and the same person speaking to me was immediately released, unmolested. So, of the beavers is concerned, I'm very satisfied because the beavers have worked effectively and efficiently. And from
Your camera, your phone, your phone. Mommy phone. Carry your phone to us. Mommy phone in the movie by here. Phone you want camera
that a lot of people are becoming aware of the I see a lot of people here and they are conducting themselves well. I learned that there are tactical security personnel that are present without conducting themselves in another level. So we hope at the close of the program we have a very successful election.
So this is a mock test.
Yes, identification of time. But we have taken every step, every measure to ensure that nobody is molested. Accredited journalists are not molested, accredited observers are not molested, and they are granted access to places they are supposed to. We have not withdrawn any accreditation. So far, everything is going on.
Sir, finalists are leading to 2027. What should Nigerians expect? What are you telling Nigerians? What confidence, are you providing for Nigerians to believe in the administration and the process so far?
Well, I have talked about the beavers. The beavers works very well to guarantee the integrity of the whole system. So, if you are not accredited, when you are accredited, you can cast your votes. And beavers working effectively.
So there are areas that we have.
There are other polling units within the FCT, and you are getting updates on this area. What are those reports you are getting from them, and what is your message to Nigeria?
Very good reports from all the polling units. The atmosphere is very calm in all the polling units. The only area we had problem was in Abaji. And immediately we deployed security, and the ugly incident was tamed, and so voting has resumed.
Sir, there are areas that complain of logistics, no table, no chairs. What is your response, sir?
All those areas have been addressed.
Sir, maybe affect the voting timing because of the late arrival of materials.
Materials did not arrive in only negligible number of villages. So hopefully it's going to be sorted out. Majority of the polling units, if I got 99%.